Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 2-owner Thunderbird. It's got a factory hardtop, loaded with options. This car is about $45,000 brand new. Original window sticker, owner's manuals, and everything. I think they checked every box when she bought this one. Chrome wheels. It's got a hand-painted pinstripe by local guy Medina, very kind of famous around here. Chrome taillight bezels, runs and drives perfect. Always garage kept. Get the premium package, gives you the deluxe interior. The two-tone black and red interior to complement the outside. Porthole window on the hardtop. Tires are like brand new. Power locks, windows, automatic headlights, power seats, automatic climate control. AM/FM stereo with disc. I think it's got a 3-disc changer in here. Actually, 6-disc changer right in the dash. Original owner's manuals. And 72,078 miles. Beautiful condition. Like the red shift knob really complements the interior nicely. Original spare tire, never been on the ground. Traction control. Called No Accidents, has all the original tags and all the correct spots. Runs and drives perfect. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.